Hi, my name is Chris. I'm the After Service Sales Manager with Travelpro, and in this series we're going to be discussing basic repairs you can complete at home. Just note, if you have any issue with a repair, we have authorized repair centers across the country that can help. Just visit us at www.travelpro.com under the Customer Care tab and we'll be there to assist. With that said, let's begin. Today's repair is the spinner wheel. If you're not familiar with the term spinner wheel, it just refers to a multi-wheeled piece of luggage. With that said, let's get into the repair. The tool that you'll need for this repair is a Phillips screwdriver. Note, the actual size you would use can vary based on the collection, so just try a few out till you find the right fit. So lay the bag on its back and then open the main compartment. Once that's opened, you'll look for the interior zipper lining and you will start unzipping the internals. With the lining unzipped, you want to take your screwdriver and locate the screw that runs along the same line as the wheel. You may have to put a little pressure. Once the screw is loose, simply remove the wheel. Once the wheel is removed, you will remove the 3 pieces of the bearing, which we will reuse for the new wheel. And if your bag has a MagnaTrack wheel, you'll also be reusing this clear film. When reusing the bearings on the new wheel, you want to ensure the order is correct. You'll see the recessed channel has to line up with the ball bearing to ensure a smooth roll. And then you just need to reassemble the wheel. No need to worry about over tightening. And that's how you replace a spinner wheel. So that completes today's repair. I want to thank you for watching. Just note, if you had any issues on this repair, our authorized repair centers can assist, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for choosing Travelpro, and we'll see you on the next one.